Alright, so today we're going to be opening up a brand new mystery box, but before we get into that, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and also song of the day. Gonna have to give it to Changes by Tupac, and this is my favorite Tupac song, man. I love this song. I've been listening to it a lot lately. You guys should definitely go listen to it again. And yeah, let's open up this mystery box. Okay, so obviously we are opening up another Tom Stefaniuk mystery box, and I don't know if you guys could tell, the box is like really big. And that is a good sign, man. It's very light, so I'm not sure what's in here. I'm hoping it's shoes or something because the box has never been this big. And by the way, this took forever to get to New York, man. This took like 2 weeks with shipping. USPS has been like super behind lately, so now I know why, man, because like look at the size of this. It's so big. Pause. Like, it's crazy. So yeah, here, I'll give you guys like a peek. I don't know what's in there. Hopefully it's something good. Here, I'll just reach in and then just grab whatever. Okay, so I do see that orange thing right there, so I guess I'll grab this. This is the big thing of the box, I'm assuming. So it looks like we got Nike slides. Hopefully I'm right. Yeah, Nike slides. Okay. So this is $30. And I've never gotten like shoes or anything from Tom. I'll open this up in a bit, but that makes me very happy, man. I do not have Nike slides, and I'll probably do a review on these too. So awesome, $30 worth of value right there. Let's reach into the box again. Grab this. Okay, if you guys watched the last video, I said I wanted the water bottle, so I am very happy right now because this water bottle is sick. It's really cool. I'll open it up again in a second. Hopefully something else in there. Sure. Okay. All right. I don't know if you guys have watched the last couple mystery boxes, man, but I got this shirt already. All right. Here's the thing. Me and I guess like Tom, like he has messaged me and everything, and he's talking about like, oh, email us and we'll fix the problem. And we were officially caught up with the problem fix because I've gotten multiple of the same shirts many times. But okay, looks like it happened again. I'm not, bro, what are the chances of it happening? Okay, whatever. I'm gonna just leave that to the side. We'll open it up in a second. See, all right, there's another shirt in here. Open this up. And okay, so I'm assuming these are from, I guess, earlier drops because the packaging is completely different. I don't know if you guys can tell. Like, he hasn't done this type of packaging in, I would say, maybe 2 or 3 months, I believe. So very different. I'm assuming this is from an earlier drop though. Looks cool. I do not have this shirt yet, so I'm kind of happy with that. See if there's anything else. Yes, there is. Take that out. All right, no keychains or stickers, but man, I don't really care because I actually got shoes, so that's cool. Thanks for shopping. Oh, you got a new card. That's cool. Polar bear. Here, let me show you guys the card. I guess in the next one, there's going to be a bunch of Jordans and stuff. I dropped it, whatever. But yeah, here, let me open all of this up and get back to you guys. Okay, so I opened up everything, and here, let me show you guys the shirt. It's just a regular red shirt with like a bear wearing another shirt holding the balloon. Pretty cool design, nothing too crazy. Quality, it's okay. It's just a regular shirt. And then the other shirt, quality is a lot better on this one than this. But I do have this shirt already, so you know, it just says Feel Real on it. It's nothing crazy, but I'm not even mad at this point because I did get a couple other things, so I'm happy about that. Here, let me show you guys the water bottle. Quality wise, it's just plastic, man. Like, it's nothing crazy. It's just a regular old water bottle, but it has a cool design on it, so you know, not the worst thing. I like it. And then I guess the big thing of the box is the Nike slides. I didn't get any keychain stickers or anything, so this is pretty much it. Nike slides, these are worth $30. So here, let me just show you guys these. Nothing crazy. You guys probably already have slides, but I actually don't have Nike slides, so I guess that's kind of cool. And yeah, let me get right back in front of the camera and tell you guys if I think the box is worth it. All right, so I calculated the price for everything and I put each shirt at $25. This water bottle realistically around $10, because if you did buy a water bottle in store, I feel like that would be like a pretty fair price. And then obviously the Nike slides are $30 and I got that from literally just that. But I do have to consider that that is Canadian, so I would say that is probably $20 US. I'm not 100% sure. If I'm being honest, I'm just too lazy to do a conversion. So, which puts the box total at $80. And I only paid 50, so that's pretty good, man. Like if I wanted to, I could probably like sell these slides to somebody for 20 bucks, get my money back. This water bottle I'll actually keep and put it in my room. So that's pretty cool. Happy with the water bottle. This shirt, it's okay. I like it, you know, I'll wear it. And then the other shirt I already have, but I don't even care that much about that shirt anymore. And I'm just happy I didn't get something that's just like shirts and, you know, keychains and stuff. So, you know, it's cool. I got Nike slides. I'll probably make another video out of these. So that's content. I'm happy with what I got. Do I think you guys should go out and buy like the next mystery box? That is 100% up to you. For me, it's worth it. I already bought my next one. So, you know, it's whatever. It's really up to you guys. I did get $80 worth of value on this specific mystery box, but I do have to let you guys know I have bought a bunch of them in the past. I've made videos on all of them I've received. So I don't always get $80, you know, worth of stuff. I don't know Tom personally, so it doesn't change anything. I'm just a regular person that just buys stuff like you guys. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about the box. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and thank you for watching.